Hi,
apps
this
appears
Take
show
Dictamin
you.
gonna show you how to create a group chat in Instagram. Follow these easy steps to easily create a group chat for friends and families on Instagram. Launch the Insta application, tap on the message icon at the top right, and here tap on this new message icon. Tap on create a group chat. And now select users to add to the group chat, and now tap on name your group, and here write a group name. Okay, now tap on create chat, and here we can see my group has been successfully created. And now you can easily invite people by clicking here, or to see members, tap on members. Here you will find all of your group members. To add more people to the group, just tap on this plus icon, and you can select more users to add to the group. And now if you want to require approval to join, then enable this option. Go back from here to customize your group chat, tap on theme, and now you will be able to add a theme to your group chat. So this is how we can actually create a group chat on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.